Imagine the excitement of looking for your new home in a truly memorable way. I'm Chelsea Hamre with the Hamre team at RE/MAX here in Ottawa, and I want to personally invite you to our open house event this Sunday at 534 Cannes Crescent here in Orleans. Now let's be real. This isn't your typical boring open house. It's an experience to take a look at a glimpse of what your future might look like. Think fresh, decadent cookies, delightful treat bag on your way out, warm and inviting atmosphere, plus top-notch hospitality aimed at highlighting the cutting-edge features of this home. Now, not only the home, but what this neighborhood has to offer. Whether you're looking for your dream home, a change in lifestyle, or you're unsure about the timing of your next home, you want to know the market trends, or you simply want to drop by and say hello, please do. I would love to see you there, and I'll be personally hosting this open house event Sunday, January 14th from 2 to 4, again on Cannes Crescent here in Orleans. I look forward to seeing you soon, and if you can't make it to the open house, but you want to come see an assisted property, let me know, send me a direct message, and save this reel for more updates on real estate. Take care, we'll talk to you soon.